all the problems that I have encountered and conflicts. As a school manager, you have to be firm in your decision. You have to analyze and then think of how your subordinates or your teachers, at least in a way, you could please them. And if there are conflicts, how you can solve it. And then most of the time, you have to be dedicated, and at the same time, you should be firm when you are giving a decision. Always smile, and of course, you always ask the guidance of our divine providence. We have a very smooth and happy relationship with them. If there are some conflicts or whatever problems, we always find solution. And I would like our relationship to be a very good one, and I want everybody, my teachers, to enjoy their teaching profession. To be a principal, it does not require, there are no specific characteristics. But for me, you have to be dedicated. Of course, you have to love your work. That is one characteristic. If you do not love your work, you will not succeed and you will not work hard. And then, as you have said in your second question, you have to be patient. It needs and it helps a lot. Dedication, you have to be competent, and of course, you have to have a strong faith on Almighty God, and then you have to learn how to respect and love learners and teachers. As a principal, I enjoy most of the time when we are attending seminars, convention, conferences, especially when we are assigned to attend out of Tarlac City, example Cebu, Bohol, Davao, Palawan, wherein you could see other places, deal with other teachers, and you could meet your co-principal once in a while. As with my position now, and if you want to attain higher, aspire to have a higher position, you should be, as an educator, you have to continue more your studies. Do not just stay there as a teacher or as a principal. Before you could attain higher managerial position, you have to continue your studies. Pursue a doctoral degree, and then of course, you have to be more dedicated, competent, and most of the time you have to love your work so that you could attain what you want to be. And with my case as a principal, and also health-wise, even if I want to aspire for a higher managerial position, but I will just stay as a principal too, because I am happy with hanggang doon na lang siguro, happy na ako na maibigay ko naman dito sa aking mga head teachers, department head, the next position. Para hindi naman tayo masyadong kailangan ibigay mo sa iba.